This could be possibly the stupidest idea I've had on a bike. Today, we are not going for coffee. I need to clear my head, and that means going on a little loop. It's my favourite loop in and around Winchester, and it's the one I like to ride when all I actually want to do is ride. I don't want to go somewhere. I don't need to go anywhere. So I can think and clear my head and feel better about myself and life. I need to go for a ride. And that's where this loop comes in. I still wish you the best. I'm like, forget you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Radio edits, thank you. Tanker. We're gonna stop behind the tanker. I do have my limits when it comes to filtering. Tankers are quite high up on that list of not to be filtered with. Lovely golf. So yeah, as I sort of covered earlier, I find that motorcycling is so important for my mental health, especially. If I'm happy, I want to ride my bike. If I'm sad, I want to ride my bike. Something happens when I put this helmet on and I head out into the road, and you've got the wind. Yes, I've got my music, but a lot of the time I'll just turn that off and just listen to the sound of the world around me. You're in the world. If the field next to you smells nice, it smells nice, and if it smells of shit, it smells of shit. If it's hot, you get hot. If it's cold, you get cold. If it's wet, you get wet. You experience the world when you're on a bike, and I do love going for gentle countryside drives. I do, and they help, but they just don't hit the same. And when I need to clear my head, and I don't have all day, this route takes about 40 minutes. It's Winchester, Stockbridge Road, cut across to King's Somborne, and then back towards Hursley and Winchester. And it takes about 40 minutes, and there's lovely turny roads and good views, and there's often not too much traffic, so you can just focus on your ride, and you can just clear your head, and it is my favorite place to be on this world, truly. If you have never ridden a motorbike, give it a shot. I imagine it's, well, to me, I'd describe it as a runner's high on steroids. It's everything a runner's high is, and more, you know? Those trees are huge. And I got Gwen Stefani in my ears, so it's a good effort. Do 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 do. This could be possibly the stupidest idea I've had on a bike. Can you do a minor river crossing on a 390 Duke whilst disrupting ducks? How deep is it looking? Under a foot. We'll try it. Oh my god! Yes, you can! Yes, you can do a river crossing on a 390 Duke. Oh god. I don't need to do this road. That was just for the love of the game. We have to turn around and do it again now. You know what? We'll explore. What is up here? Oh. Is the camera still there? Yes, she is. Fucking beauty. Oh. Alright, we'll turn left here. I think that's going to be the move. My arch nemesis. Traffic lights. But for everyone, and I know this is a big thing for American bikers, not being able to find neutral. There it is. It's not that hard. Look, I'll do it again. First, neutral. Don't really know what you want me to tell you. Do 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 ba 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 ba. Good do 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 do. Good gracious, ass bodacious, flirtatious, trying to show me to right, trying to shoot that G when I turn right, trying to shoot me. He's and I'm leaving. Please believe in me and the rest of my reasons that you're the best that of my these. House rooftop birds I'm feeding. She even nothing else to see me. I'm feeling. I'll teach you to get up on the dance floor. Get that man what he's asking for, yeah. Busting loose and I feel like mustering you, in terms of self-reduce, when to do. You say it's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. I am getting too hot, I wanna take my clothes off. Gonna be a good view coming up. Look at that. That is what it's about. What an unreal part of the world, man. And look, sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Road. At least 30 sheep. Oh yeah, here we go. And the sun has started to come out. Blue skies, reveal yourself. No lighty, no likey. I won't be getting any gigs as a Paddy impressionist soon, I don't think. Single woman, reveal yourself. What a show. Do do do. That I think could be the thumbnail spot. Did you see how slick that was? Click, click. Come on, quad lock. Come on. Ready to race. Sun is shining. The road is open. And the vibes are so good. They're so good right now. Woo! Feel like Jack, man. I'm the king of the world. Yes. Oh, what a day for it. It is so appropriate as well that I started off, I left the house and I wasn't feeling great. And the skies were grey and I was feeling it. And 40 minutes later, the skies are blue, the sun's starting to poke through, and I feel great. I feel so good! Absolutely amazing. Anyway, as we come back into Winchester, this is where I'm going to sign off. Thank you so much for joining me on my favourite little riding loop and allowing me to share it with you. I hope you have had as fun of a time watching this as I have had filming it, because I've had such a good time filming this. Yes, thank you. Please, I don't know, likes, comments, subscribe. That's a thing that the people say. Thank you so much. I will get this edited ASAP, and I'm going to bring you another video next week. This one will be going out probably in the next 24 hours, because I am not ahead of my filming schedule. Thank you, and goodbye.